Hello everyone, I'm John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Today we're going to do a review on the signals that occurred on the Atlas line. Today is June 29th, 2021, Tuesday. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please do not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose, and talk to your broker. Understand the risks of trading. So what we're going to do here on the NinjaTrader charting platform is right-click on the chart and choose indicators. Those of you who have the Atlas line should see already the DayTradeToWin list of indicators, and they start off with DTTW. The Atlas line is right here. Now, I live in the Eastern Standard Time Zone. 9:30 is when the market opens for me. Depending on the market that you trade and that you look at in your time zone, this may need to be adjusted, but 9:30 is a default setting. And everything else I leave the default setting. As you see, I like the pullback trades, the strength trades, you can turn them on or off. The bounce trades, you can turn them on or off. And now we have today's signals for the Atlas line. So the first signal of the day here is the 42.8750, and this is for the E-mini S&P. So that's the signal to go long using a 5-minute chart. And here is the signal to go short later on the day at about 11:30 Eastern Standard, to go short at 42.8550 once it crosses the Atlas line. And again, we have rules. The time-based stop, the pullback trade has pivotal stops. So we use very clear rules on entries and exits into the market using the Atlas line. So this is the results for the Atlas line for today. Now, if you're trading the NASDAQ as an example, so I'm going to just change here to the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ had a different outcome. The NASDAQ gave a long signal at 14,517.75, and then we have additional strength trades and pullback trades to go long. So this is only long for the day on the NASDAQ. If you're going to look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin has a short signal here right in the beginning of the day. This signal probably was a losing trade. You're not going to make any money going short. As soon as the market crosses the Atlas line, we have only long opportunities on pullback and strength trades here. All these P's and these S's that you're seeing, these are all indications to go long using the Atlas line on Bitcoin. BTC USD, that is the market that we're looking at. Lastly, if you want to take a look at a different market, let's say that we want to look at the euro as an example. So we come down here to the 6E, the euro market. Those of you who trade currencies, we have a short signal. This is a very good signal here to go short right as the Atlas line begins to trade. And then after we make our money on this downfall here of the market, it crosses and we go long here for the entire move up. So two signals on the euro, one is a short and one is a long. The new workshops we have available for free, the links are below in the description of these videos. If you have any questions, visit the Contact Us page at DayTradeToWin.com. We have over 500 videos available for you to learn, understand, and trade using price action. Until next time, have a great day. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.